Hey everyone, with all the arrests and court cases involving the Supreme Court and due process, we thought we'd travel back in time and see what else President Trump has had to say about due process. Given some of what he's said recently, I would have thought his past statements might have been different, but it turns out he's quite a fan of civil liberties. Well, at least for himself and his friends. Let's dig in. Here you can see on Twitter he wrote, "People's lives are being shattered and destroyed by a mere allegation. Is there no such thing any longer as due process?" And on Truth Social he writes, "Nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws." Here we have a Time magazine interview where he is responding to the interviewer's questions. Let's take a look at this excerpt to see what he says. Question. With respect, sir, Trump. This is beyond Supreme Court. Question. Right, Trump. There's nothing beyond Supreme Court. This is beyond Supreme Court. This is everything to do with our country. When you are guilty until proven innocent, it's just not supposed to be that way. Always, I heard you're innocent until proven guilty. I've heard this for so long, and it's such a beautiful phrase. In this case, you're guilty until proven innocent. I think that is a very, very dangerous standard for our country. And finally, President Trump writes here, "This is a very important time in our country. Due process, fairness, and common sense are now on trial." He wrote that back in 2018, but it seems just as relevant now with everything going on. If only the president had himself to consult about how to handle due process today.
And I hope we get cooperation from the courts because, we have thousands of people that are ready to go out, and you can't have a trial for all of these people. It wasn't meant, the system wasn't meant, and we don't think there's anything that says that.